Yeah.
There we go.
That's it. You gotta do comment, dude. Want me to do the comments?
Look at all the cows.
Michelle, Nick was in line. It stinks out here.
These are all milk cows you're feeding right now.
All the way down the line.
I just threw up in my threw up again in my mouth.
Look at the flies. A wall of flies.
Never mind that. It's just me throwing up.
Slow down. There they are, eating while they shit and piss. Enjoying breakfast. We milk them twice a day.
I gotta go fast, dude. This guy's waiting. Now I can slow down. Oh, put your window up, dude. Oh God. Oh, thank you. Whew.
We can still smell it, but it's some relief. What a miserable living condition.
What are you talking about, man? This is beautiful.
These cows.
God's country. Okay, you're just recording poop now. Pardon me. It stinks. Stinks bad.
That's